Could this be a balloon clone, or could this be Yeti
You know
clone?
what? I bet you. I think that Jesus is sending in a cloned Yeti blimp to set up Lalo. It looks like it's exactly what it is. Clones up the Yetis, catches some of the rocket balloons with it as well, and takes out that entire section of the base. Claims a scatter shot, a multi-inferno, gets a partial CC pull, and he's really set him up with a nice funnel here. But the CC stays standing, and he'll need to go in there and fight the CC while he makes his way to the town hall. So not 100% of the value, but definitely a solid chunk of the base they're taking out.
Really interesting play here from Jesus. I think a lot of these teams are starting to recognize that they can kind of counter those Blizzard by not giving up too much value or even baiting the Blizzard like we kind of saw last war, or at least it felt baited that way. All right, so sends in the wall breaker to go ahead and open up that Town Hall compartment. Ice Golem's going to come in and tank for the Queen. King is going to go ahead and start working through the bottom side, and Queen has a nice path in here to the Town Hall now.
Yeah, but the King does not take the turn into the wall break to go after the single Inferno there. He swings wide, going all the way down south. He gets even further distracted at the defensive Queen and pulls south into the Tesla farm. And his Queen, unfortunately, is going to have to fight off that Lava Hound now. So he'll freeze up to try to keep that Expo at bay here, and he's going to stay to the original plan here. He's still counting on his Queen to go in there and secure the Town Hall takedown with their ability, and the Royal Champion doing a good job of supporting. Town Hall's not activated yet, and that's very, very important here because he wants to have it activate when the Queen actually locks on and secures it, and there we go. She's locked on now. She'll pop her ability, and this is still working out quite nicely for him, but Lalo is taking some heavy damage.
Gets that multi down just in the nick of time there. It almost got pushed back. The sweeper is pushing back there. We do have the Monolith still up in the middle. Still plenty of balloons. He's got 5 balloons in his pocket as well. A great freeze there on the Monolith. He's getting into the Eagle Artillery now. The bow is set to ground. It's just that air defense Wizard Tower and the Monolith for the most part. They can stop this Lalo strike, and let's see if they got enough. But it's looking like a really strong approach here for Jesus to finish the base off. I'm worried about that Monolith. Actually, time also circling back. Time's not really an issue. Just that Monolith there is doing some work.
Yeah, it's claiming the Electric Owl right now, which is going to reduce the overall firepower in the area. The balloon split. Needs the Warden to go with the pack that's going down into the Monolith right there. The Warden follows the Warden. Come on, Warden. I thought he did attack the King for a second there, but he gets off of the King, and he gets the tag onto the Monolith. The balloons survive, and they're all going to turn right back around to go into cleanup. And I was telling Glitter before the match here that when Jesus triples, we see Empire rocking in 12+ stars. And when Jesus misses, the team gets like 11 stars. So like when Jesus delivers, the team usually ends up winning. And he's absolutely got it under control here. The star player of the squad here. And